Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got an unboxing and review of this handheld, really cheap steamer. I saw this on Amazon. It was only $14.99 and it had like a discount sale on. I'll leave a link below if you want to look at more details. But this was like a reasonable price for something I'd seen for like £30. Yes, the one that was £30 was more powerful, but I thought if this does the job, I'll keep it and it might be useful for traveling and also just, you know, in my house when you've got the odd shirt that you just want to quickly steam and you don't want to get the ironing board out and all that hassle. I hate getting the ironing board out, I hate ironing. So if this thing works, I'll be very, very pleased for the price. So effectively you stick some water in the bottom and then steam coming out the end, and you can use that to kind of steam your garments. It says it's good for things like pillowcases, clothes, curtains, a teddy bear. I don't know why you'd want to steam a teddy bear, maybe for germs, I don't know. And your bedspread. So that's pretty much it. There's not a great deal else on the box. 700 watts, by the way, and some of the more expensive ones are like, I don't know, 1,700 watts. So I saw Morphy Richards, which if this isn't any good, I will probably buy that one, which was 1,750 watts. So it probably heats up quicker, but I don't really mind if I have to wait a little bit longer. So in the box, you're gonna get the nozzle at the end. I'm going to use this as well. I'll demonstrate it. I'll show you exactly what it works. I've got a bunch of shirts I want to try this on. So that's the end nozzle that will actually go on your clothes itself. Sorry, I just had to get everything out of the box. So yeah, it's a very, very small footprint. You can see it's tiny. So it'll be great for traveling. So if you need to go on holiday and you've got a bunch of stuff that you kind of squish up and shove in your bag, and there's nothing worse when you go on a holiday and you've got everything that kind of needs ironing. So this could be really, really helpful. So it's got a UK plug on it, but you could take an adapter for abroad. And you've got a little filling bottle here for putting the water in, and then you've got some instructions here. So it just says garment steamer, so it's got do not exceed maximum fill level, and do not invert or tilt more than 35 degrees. Please hang the clothes on a hanger. Okay, and then handle, steam outlet, blah blah blah. Please do not let children use this product. Yep, good idea. When adding water, please do not exceed the highest water marks. When working, the tilt the angle should not exceed 35 degrees. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. So just check instructions for use. Clockwise rotation of the nozzle and the body said open, clockwise rotation said locked. Add water, insert the power supply and wait for about 45 seconds. Okay, so that's pretty quick. 45 seconds, okay. And then we're in another language. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this up with water, plug it in, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, I've just plugged this in, and I filled it up with 1 cup and a little bit more, which was enough to fill it up. I'm just going to switch it on, so little red lights come on. Just to show you, this is the top I'm going to try it on. So this has got, you can probably see in the light, some wrinkles here, fairly wrinkled up. So this is kind of typical t-shirt I'd normally wear, which I always sort of think I'll leave that because it's all crushed up, I can't be bothered to iron it. So it's like that on the front, and it's kind of got lines down the back as well. Actually already I can hear this is already heating up. I don't know if you hear that on my mic, but it's already making a noise, so that's cool. And then also I've got kind of a work shirt that has got some creases down it, so we'll try it on both just so you can see exactly kind of what it looks like. So that's been going. It's really quick actually at heating up. I'm pretty impressed. So I'd say that's probably been about, and now it's getting quieter and now it's bubbling. There you go, you can hear that. And the steam's coming out now. Okay, so I'm just putting it down the top. It's hard to tell what this is doing right now, if it's doing a good job or not, but I'm just running it. It does actually appear to be working, yeah. It's hard to do this while looking through the viewfinder, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to park that for a second. So has it got rid of some of the creases? Kind of. I don't know if it's done an amazing job so far. It's hard to tell, but it does look better. But does it look significantly better? Probably not. Maybe it's the type of material. I've got no idea. But okay, so that's that top. Let's just try it on a shirt. Okay, this time I actually used both my hands just because it was a little bit easier to hold the garment up. And actually, you can see on this shirt, it's definitely ironed out this side of the creases. I didn't do it on the arms, but you can see that on the main shirt itself, it's definitely got rid of the main creases that I would have been bothered about if I was going to wear this. So yeah, it worked really well on this particular shirt, this material, which is just cotton, I think. So yeah, overall, is it any good? You probably couldn't do your entire shirt. I mean, you probably have to iron this shirt, and then if you had it in the cupboard, you just want to give it a once over, probably work well for that. I think it'll work well if you're on a trip and you need to just take something out and give it a quick, once over, rather than actually having a full iron. I don't think you can get away with not ironing things, especially shirts, but t-shirts, maybe dresses that are very light material, I think that'll work really well. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. And I managed to do this and that t-shirt, and it was still had enough water in there. So let me just check the fill level. So at the moment, you can see, yeah, that's how much water it's used. So kind of like halfway. But yeah, it's pretty good. So if I just switch it back on, you can see how quickly, I mean, that's just been off for about 30, 40 seconds, but steam comes out straight away. I'm trying to see it in the darker area, if you can see that. It's quite hard to show you, but yeah, it definitely works. But it's just difficult to show on camera. But yeah, I'm going to keep that because I think it's going to do the job for the small tasks that I need to do it on, and just t-shirts and things like that. So yeah, I'll leave a link below if you want to have a look at it. Check it out, it's on discount at the moment. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave in the comments if you've got one of these, or if you've got one that's better and works better. I'd love to hear it. Cheers, bye.